You know, in the world, there's a lot of very good idea, very advanced technology, and a lot of experience how could set up something, especially set up an ecosystem. That is very valuable. How could bring here? So our model is very easy. We acquire something from China. We participate, merge them together, and then transfer the technology, make them become a local business, just like Alibaba Cloud outside this door, just like GNT, the Minister of the MCIT mentioned this morning, and just like Hatcher, Beam, and also another 20 different projects. We really want to contribute something, and we really want to using some benefit, mature technology can support or speed up the progress. That is our journey, and that is just the start. So right now we're preparing our fund too. That's a $1 billion fund. We want to bring not only China, but also cooperate with Hong Kong, Singapore, Indonesia, and Korea. So we have this panel. Okay, I leave the time to the other guys because you guys are genius. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Jerry. Well,